Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to uninstall Fortnite on PC. So let's say you installed Epic Launcher and installed Fortnite in here. So let me show you a quick way on how to uninstall that. So simply head to your library from the left side of your screen, and in here you'll be able to see that if you scroll a little bit down, you will have your Fortnite somewhere in here, and you can see we have that in here. So I do not have that installed, but I can demonstrate it with you some other games. So let's say this is Fortnite, and you can simply click on these three dots from the right side of that particular game, and then you'll have this option to uninstall in here. You're going to be simply clicking on this uninstall option, and it will be asking you for your confirmation. You can simply click on uninstall. So that's how you can simply uninstall your Fortnite from your PC. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.